Vivo Y11. Charging indicator lang siya at hindi nagcha-charge. Yan, kung makikita nyo guys, ganyan lang siya. Yan, testing ko na i-charge na tagal, pero ganyan pa rin siya guys. Hindi talaga nadagdagan.
I strive just to say I'm alright. And for the
ganyan pa rin siya guys. Kahit na i-charge mo ilang oras hanggang charging indicator lang siya. Yan, parang kidlat.
I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago.
Open natin guys. Simple, ang tama nito ay yung battery fuse niya. Tingnan natin. Kasi na natin yung kanyang cover guys. Tanggalin na natin yung connection ng kanyang
I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going live. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of things.
Sinilip ko, ayan, parang na-repair na guys. Mas kinitip na yung kanyang battery. Sinilip ko, parang na-repair na guys yung battery finish nya. Kaya open natin guys, tingnan natin doon sa ribagin. Tingnan natin guys, yan, tinanggal ko na yung battery nya guys. Tanggalin natin yung kanyang pin. Ayan, binuksan ko guys, nakatanggal na yung battery fuse nya. Saka ginampiran nila ng maliit na wire guys, jumper wire, kaya yun hindi nagkarga yung battery. Ayan guys, so ginampiran ng maliit na jumper wire. Palitan natin guys, sinangin natin ng tingga. Yun pala na hindi siya nagdagdag ng battery. Nahinan na natin guys.
I strive just to say I'm alright. And for the first time in a long time I'm alright.
And balik natin. Sarado natin guys. Saka testing na natin. And balik natin yung battery.
Way back a year ago.
Okay, charge natin guys. Kung magdagdag na ba yung battery percentage. Ayan na guys, nagkarga na siya. Sarado na natin guys. Okay na siya. Tingnan ko yung touch niya. Okay naman. Yan guys, okay na. Yan.